Hello everyone, in today's video, I am going to review the Yogati Yoga Mat. The Yogati Yoga Mat is a high-quality mat designed for anyone looking for comfort, stability, and support during their yoga practice. Made from non-toxic and eco-friendly TPE material, it is safe for both the user and the environment. Its 6 mm thickness provides the perfect balance of cushioning for your joints while still offering stability for various yoga poses. One of the key features of this mat is its non-slip surface. The double-layer design ensures excellent grip, preventing slips during workouts and making your practice safer. It also comes with alignment lines, which help you maintain proper posture and positioning, making it especially useful for beginners who want to improve their form. The Yogati mat is lightweight and portable, and it comes with a convenient carrying strap, making it easy to take to yoga classes, the gym, or outdoor sessions. While some users notice a slight odor when first unpacked, this usually goes away after a few uses. The mat is suitable for most yoga styles, although those practicing hot yoga may prefer additional moisture-wicking features. Overall, the Yogati Yoga Mat is a reliable and thoughtfully designed option for anyone looking to practice yoga comfortably and safely. Its eco-friendly material, non-slip surface, alignment guidance, and portability make it a practical choice for daily practice and long-term use. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos.